Look around, the world's moving fast. 5 years ago, ChatGPT didn't exist. TikTok wasn't even in the game. And most businesses were still banking on Facebook posts and Google ads. But here's the problem. Technology evolved, but maybe your marketing didn't. You're still running plays from like 2015, wondering why your leads cost more and your results keep tanking. It's actually the same reason why Blockbuster died and taxis lost to Uber, because they were just simply using outdated strategies when there was clearly something better that was already in the market. So using outdated strategies actually hurts you now. Remember when you could just blast a newsletter to 10,000 people and actually get replies, or post a stiff headshot saying we're experts and expect people to trust you? That era's gone. Today, just looking polished will get you ignored. But raw, honest, 30-second stories, they will stop the scroll. So even while Coca-Cola is spending millions on TV ads, some dude filming like TikToks from his bedroom is getting more reach. I'll walk you through new frameworks, real examples of brands that double results just by switching a few things up, and 3 things that will separate the winners from the ones who get left behind. And at the end, I'm dropping the #1 mistake 90% of businesses are making that's costing thousands every month. Let's go. The online world is moving fast. There's no question about that. Every week there's some sort of new update, a new AI tool, a new platform feature that changes literally everything. And it all happens for one reason: competition. Company A drops something, company B drops something better. It's a constant cycle. And here's what you need to know. This isn't slowing down, it's actually speeding up way faster than we can keep track of. I was reading this book called The Psychology of Money, and one line hit me. Past performance is not an indicative of future results. That's not just about investing, it's about how you run your business. What worked before doesn't mean it'll work now. Let me give you a simple example. Back then, you perhaps bought big, safe companies like GE or Kodak and held them forever. And this is, of course, a stock investment analogy, which worked great in kind of like the booming US economy back then. But now, like, whole industries just shift fast. Tech changes year by year, and holding on too long for a certain thing can literally wipe you out at one point. So what is the point? Even market leaders today can fall off quick, because if you don't adapt, you get left behind. One ad for everyone. Coca-Cola ran the same TV ad across the whole country. It worked because people only had a few channels to watch, no distractions. But now we're in the era of personalized content. You don't talk to everyone. You talk to one person, right place, right time, right message. So let me give you an example. Running a meta ad to a 35-year-old dad who just Googled best hiking boots for toddlers. That's what works now because it's relevant. However, if you're still using headlines like 20 years of experience, I'm a certified expert, that used to build trust because there wasn't a lot of info out there. But today, people care more about being real. A TikTok about how I saved $30,000 at my 9-to-5 job hits harder than a corporate ad because it just feels honest. Like, people trust the journey more than the title. And if your marketing feels real and relevant, you'll grow. If it feels outdated or generic, you won't. It's literally as simple as that. Winners try new stuff fast. Losers wait too long. Winners show how things really look, ups and downs. Losers use the same boring phrases and stock photos. Winners speak directly to the right person. Losers talk to everyone and reach no one. You're still marketing to a customer that doesn't exist anymore. You're assuming they watch full videos, read full emails, and take their time. That's not how it works now. People scroll fast, think fast, buy fast. If you don't grab their attention in 3 seconds, give value in 30, and tell them exactly what to do next, you're losing money. Because my job here is to help you stay ahead with strategies that work right now, not worked like 50 years ago. If you're still watching, fantastic. You're literally ahead of most people. But don't just watch it. I want you to actually implement it. Start by looking at your own content and ask, does this feel like 2015 or does this feel like 2025? And the first step may be just to kind of like study what 2025 content even looks like in the first place. You might not even know what to compare. Like, is your content outdated? Is it even in date? So the first step of all of this is to figure out what 2025 content is, what strategies work at the moment, and then take the necessary actionable steps to implement the new strategies. So ask this question: is it 2015 or 2025? Am I speaking to someone specific or just everyone? Would I stop scrolling for this? And by the way, if you want help fixing your paid advertising and your social platforms, there's a calendar link in the description. Just click the link, book a call, and I'll personally help you walk you through the whole process. Whether you work with us or not, just make the shift, because while you're thinking about it, your competitors are already moving, and you already know this because you see their stuff online all the time. I'll see you next week.